Hello, knowledge seekers. Welcome to Eklavya Gyan. Today, we are going to talk about Chanakya. Chanakya was a philosopher, economist, and statesman who wrote the Indian political treatise, the Arthashastra, that is, economics. In this seminal work, he had compiled almost every aspect of what had been written in India up to that time regarding poetry, economics, or material success. He is considered a pioneer in the fields of political science and economics in India due to the significant contribution he made to the development of these fields. Chanakya, also identified as Kautilya or Vishnugupta, was a powerful statesman in the court of the first Mauryan emperor Chandragupta and played a pivotal role in establishment of the Mauryan Empire. Acting as the emperor's counselor and advisor, he was instrumental in helping Chandragupta overthrow the powerful Nanda dynasty at Patliputra in the Magadha region and helped Chandragupta consolidate his powers. Chanakya also served as the advisor to Chandragupta's son Bindusar. Chanakya was born in a Brahmin family in 350 BC. The details regarding the place of his birth are unclear. According to the Jain writer Hemchandra, Chanakya was born in the Chanak village of the Gola region to Chanin and his wife Chaneshwari, while other sources claim that his father's name was Chanak. He was educated at Takshashila, an ancient center of learning located in northwestern ancient India, present-day Pakistan. He grew up to be a well-read young man with his knowledge in a variety of subjects including economics, politics, war strategies, medicine, and astrology. It is also believed that he was familiar with elements of Greek and Persian learning. He was fully knowledgeable concerning the Vedic literature too. After completion of his education, he became a teacher of political sciences and economics at Takshashila. Chanakya was introduced to the king Dhananand, who was the ruler of Nanda dynasty. He was a powerful king, though despised by his subjects because of his wickedness. The king insulted Chanakya, and the embitterment Chanakya swore to destroy the Nanda kingdom. The determined Chanakya started searching for a worthy successor to bring about the downfall of the Nanda king and meet the young Chandragupta Maurya. The two men then formed alliances with some other powerful rulers to help them in their quest. Chanakya was a highly intelligent and shrewd man. He cunningly devised some manipulative war strategies and eventually succeeded in bringing about the downfall of the Nanda dynasty at Patliputra in the Magadha region. Following the defeat of last Nanda king, he established a new empire with Chandragupta Maurya as the emperor and continued serving him as his trusted political advisor. With Chanakya as his guide, Chandragupta proceeded to defeat the generals of Alexander the Great, located in Gandhar, present-day Afghanistan. Intelligent and ruthless, Chanakya played a pivotal role in helping Chandragupta turn the Mauryan Empire into one of the most powerful empires of the world. The initial territory controlled by Chandragupta that extended all across northern India from the Indus River in the west to the Bay of Bengal in the east was further expanded as the Mauryan Empire gained control of the Punjab. A learned person knowledgeable in a wide range of topics, Chanakya wrote the treatise Arthashastra, which explores economic policies, military strategies, issues of social welfare, and other important subjects. The work was compiled as a medium of advising the king on how to manage the kingdom at a time of wars, famine, and epidemics. According to a popular legend mentioned in Jain texts, Chanakya used to mix small doses of poison in the food eaten by the Emperor Chandragupta in order to build his immunity against possible poisoning attempts by the enemies. The emperor, unaware of this fact, once shared his food with his pregnant queen Durdhara, who was just days away from giving birth. The poison in the food acted quickly, and the queen collapsed and died within a few minutes. In order to save the unborn child in her womb, Chanakya cut open her stomach and extracted the baby. This baby, named Bindusar, succeeded Chandragupta Maurya on growing up. Chanakya served as an advisor to Bindusar for some years. Chanakya authored the treatise Arthashastra, which discusses a variety of topics such as monetary and fiscal policies, welfare, international relations, and war strategies in detail. The text is believed to be a compilation of the works of various authors by some scholars. The Arthashastra also explores issues related to the nature of government, law, civil and criminal court systems, ethics, economics, markets and trade, nature of peace, and the duties and obligations of a king. Topics such as agriculture, mineralogy, mining and metals, animal husbandry, medicine, forests, and wildlife are also covered in the treatise. Chanakya died in 275 BC. Details regarding the death of Chanakya are shrouded in mystery. It is known that he lived a long life, but it is unclear how he actually died. According to one legend, Chanakya retired to the jungle and starved himself to death. According to another legend, he died as a result of a political conspiracy during the reign of Bindusar. The diplomatic enclave in New Delhi is named Chanakyapuri in honor of Chanakya. Several other places and institutes are also named after him. He is also the subject of several television series and books. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share it with your friends.